Ka Meghalaya Medical Service Recruitment Board kala Kyntait ya Jingkynnoh baki don Jingbakla ha Jingpyn mi ya result thungkam Jingkynnoh sebat ki ANM. I member secretary jongka NMSRB i Dr. L Milliam Umlong ila pensyai bekerukam thungkam kala buat perkhingkat kop ki kendon ila batai baki don sispat ripu sauteli ki kam balai jongki staff nurse bat nyopo prateli jongki ANM. Ladap pelait ningkong ya kelis baladap ban penbaik henry laweng no hadian balai nak jing snauto bakla. Ya kelis bakhado onsa penmi hadian baladep ban pet benia ikikot kisla. Ka Jingbakla bala penmi hakalis bahkan top iki duplicate roll number ladap ban penbet.
Very fair and transparent manner. Why do we have extra? We on doing 3.3 times. Again, since there is no negative markings, there are so many candidates who are getting same marks. So we have to draw the line. Whom do we call? Had we received the application before, supposing the date of birth, supposing if we have to take the date of birth, then maybe we will be able to determine. But since at the time of application, we allow all the applicants, we allow all the applicants to appear, hence we could not verify. That is also the reason why there was an extra 46 list. Again, I would like to inform you, this list, it's still not a final list. It's just a select list. It's just a preparation for the verification of the documents.